All right, so this is a video that I shot just for fun. I'm not really planning on starting a cooking channel or anything like that. YouTube right here, man. I always watch these great street markets videos, like street foods. I don't travel a lot. I've never got to travel a lot in my life. It's not that I don't want to. I never got a chance. Wasn't in the military or anything like that, so I didn't get a chance to really travel. But lately, I've been watching a lot of the Korean food street market stuff, and they keep doing these egg sandwiches. That seems to be big over there. I thought us as Americans were like, I thought that sandwich was like an American thing, but it shows you how uncultured swine I am, I guess. So they do these egg sandwiches with all this cool stuff like sprouts and ham and all that, and it just looked like something, I appreciate and I can get into. I'm not a big egg guy, so when you mix all the other stuff in, man, that sounds fantastic. So this is a version of that sandwich that I shot a while back, and we'll just kick off whatever this is, Cooking with Ben or Trailer Park Recipes, and Cooking with Whitebread, or I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be a thing or not, but here's the video.